All right, let's look at business now. The government has today inaugurated the new board for the Communication Authority of Kenya, despite a pending legal suit filed by former ousted board members and a civil rights activist. But Information and Communication Cabinet Secretary Joe Mucheru insisted that the ministry was happy the matter had finally been resolved and that the new board should start work immediately.
In February this year, 7 directors at the Communication Authority of Kenya obtained court orders challenging Information and Communication Cabinet Secretary Joe Mucheru's decision to replace them at the Communication Authority of Kenya.
It's been a challenge, but for us as a ministry, as a government, we're very committed to seeing that Kenya becomes, based on our Vision 2030, a digital economy.
The new board of directors replacing the ousted faction include the first CEO of the Kenya ICT Authority, Paul Kokubo. Others include Patricia Kimama, Kentis Kitolo, Mugambi Nandi, David Kitur, and Guyo Huka. Daystar's University Dean of Communication Studies, Professor Levi Obonyo, who was part of the ousted board members, has made it back to the new board.
The pain that we've actually gone through, I think at some point I was held in contempt of court. Where is John Omo? I think before then it was changed again in court. There are many things that happened, but we went through all that because we need to have a board that actually works. We need to have a board that's actually going to help us achieve that objective that we want to have.
The new board assumes office in the shadow of 2 legal suits due to be mentioned in 2 weeks' time. One of them is an appeal notice by the deposed faction led by Kipsang Choge, former CA board director and the institution's head of audit committee. Choge wants the reinstatement of the board by overturning the ruling delivered in the High Court by Justice George Odunga in May 2015 that dissolved the board. Philip Keitan, KTN Business.